Hello, everyone. This is Christopher, your new and pre-owned boat salesperson here in South Florida. One of the perks of my job is I get to run lots of different boats. That also lets me learn the quirks and nuances of different boats as well. Here's one I just kind of discovered and learned about that I thought I'd share with you in a quick tip. We're on board an Edgewater with a Lewmar Pro Fish anchor windlass. And this particular model has a freefall mode that lets you drop the anchor freely in deep water, but it can be a little confusing when it's time to retrieve your anchor. And that's what we discovered today. So I'm going to show you this mechanism in depth. So here we have our Lewmar Pro Fish windlass, and you see that this little nub is up here. And if I pull this out, that little nub will pop up. That means it's in freefall mode. However, that also means that the windlass may not retract the anchor when you're ready. And it looks like you should be able to just push this in, but it won't work. So you need to use the special tool that comes with your windlass with this little nub right there. So if we take this, push it in, now it's in, and your anchor is ready to retrieve. So that is a quick tip from Christopher on the Lewmar Pro Fish windlass, how to get it into, and more importantly, out of freefall mode using the special tool that comes with your Lewmar windlass. Thank you for watching.